Are you looking to buy AIO coolers? Through our research and testing, we've put a list of the top 5 best AIO coolers available in the market. We've included links to all of the products in the description box below. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our channel. So, what makes these AIO coolers so useful? Let's check out. Coming at number 5. Noctua NHD15. It is the state-of-the-art dual-tower CPU cooler featuring a powerful cooling architecture and advanced airflow technology. With its 6 copper heat pipes and 2 fans, the NHD15 dissipates heat rapidly for fast and efficient cooling of CPUs and motherboards with sockets and future processors with increased core count. The fan is capable of delivering up to 30 dBA, providing outstanding noise-free performance even at full speed. Number 4 on our list is MSI Core Liquid K240. This cooler comes with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and an LED-lit keyboard tray. The LED-lit keyboard tray is a perfect companion to the LCD display when using a laptop on the go. The 2.4-inch LCD display is a great way to monitor your system's performance and adjust your settings. With a 240mm radiator and dual 120mm ARGB fans, you can stay comfortable while maintaining excellent cooling performance. With the Torx Fan 4.0 technology, you can switch to the optimal airflow setting according to your current situation. Coming at number 3. Corsair H100i Pro XT. The ICUE H100i is a 240mm radiator using a dual pump layout that pushes cold air through an internal radiator fin stack. With an aluminum body and brass pump heads, this radiator provides a sleek and stylish look for any desktop. A removable shroud allows for easy cleaning and access to the fins. Fans spin up to 2,400 RPM with 0 RPM and 3 LED lighting modes. The integrated pump allows the fans to be controlled from the Corsair Link interface or the Corsair Link Plus software. Number 2 on our list is Cooler Master AIO Cooler. This cooler is designed to fit all standard ATX and micro ATX motherboards and AMD and Intel CPUs. It is a closed-loop liquid cooling solution with a full aluminum block, a single tube radiator, a pump, and a reservoir. The radiator is a closed-loop 240mm unit that has been optimized with a new sickle-shaped blade design for improved airflow and superior heat dissipation. The cooling module can be mounted on top of the motherboard or in a vertical orientation. To enhance compatibility, the radiator and reservoir can be swapped out. Finally, the number 1. NZXT Kraken X53. Built for enthusiasts looking to build the ultimate liquid-cooled system, the NZXT Kraken X53 is a high-performance AIO water cooling solution for AMD and Intel CPUs. The innovative new infinity mirror design offers a cleaner, more precise look, while the rotatable, larger, and brighter 10% infinity mirror LED illuminates the pump, allowing you to adjust the orientation of the pump head to suit your preferences. Its compact and sleek shape allows for installation in tight spaces, and with a large reservoir and integrated 140mm radiator fan, it provides an outstanding cooling performance. That's it for today, guys. These are the top 5 best AIO cooler for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.